Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video we are going to sublimate, and we are going to make these amazing pens. They are so cool. And I've just been doing a couple of these. They're so cool. Of course, this creations with Tori, but they are so cute, so easy, so adorable. And it's a kit that I got from PYD. You have like this little board, and you get sublimation pens. You get the sleeves in here. You get everything. It comes with everything, and they're so adorable. So let's go ahead and just get started. I'll walk you through. I'll show you everything. And we're gonna go ahead and use the convection toaster oven and Cricut. Let's get started. So we are in Cricut Design Space. The two images right here, I got the blue and the green I got from Creative Fabrica. So if you like it, I'll leave it in the descriptions below. And then the two Spider-Man I got just in Google. I just typed in Spider-Man backgrounds, and I thought I would make something cool for my son. So we're gonna try to use one of these. So we're gonna go back up here. We're gonna do unlock, and we're gonna do 1.41 by 2.44. So let's go over to shapes. We're gonna just insert a square, and we're gonna go ahead and go back to more. Unlock width 1.41 by 2.44, and then we're going to go to rotate and rotate it. All right, so this is the size that it needs to be. So let's make this a red. Drag this, pull this on top, do arrange, bring to front. Okay, so that's cute. And then it just has a little red on the back. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, perfect. So we can just go ahead, select it, and then we can do align center, and then we're going to group it. Now we're going to insert a name. And let's see, I want to change this, I think. So let's go over to, we're going to do this one, and we're going to make it smaller. And let's change that to black. And then we're going to go up here and go offset. And let's see if we can do like a little offset. So now we're going to hit apply. And I am going to do, let's try white and see how that looks. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and do this one. We'll do it just like that. So let's delete this. So we're going to go ahead, select it. I'm going to group it together and then hit flatten. It is one pen. Unlock. And the width is 1.41 by 2.44. We're going to go over here to rotate and do 90. And let's do a name. Let's do me. And I want to change the font. Let's see how that looks if we did offset. It might just to black, and then change that one to white. All right, cool. I like that. We're going to group it so we can drag it, and we're going to make it smaller. That one's sharp. I really like that. Okay, and we can go ahead. You can, if you want it to be centered, you can always center it. We're going to hit group and then flatten. So these are the two that we're going to do. So we're going to hit make it. And I'm going to change the material size to a letter, because the sublimation paper I'm going to use is a letter size. You always want to mirror the image. Let's hit continue, send to printer, next. And I'm going to send it to my Epson ET2720 that I converted to a sublimation printer. And we're going to turn the bleed off, put use system dialog on, and hit print. Then we can go into preferences, and we want to change the paper type to the premium presentation paper matte. Quality should always be high. I'm going to just uncheck reverse. We're going to go over here to more options. Definitely uncheck high speed. We need to click on custom and then advanced. And I'm going to put color controls, and I'm just going to leave this as is. Let's change this one to Adobe RGB, and gamma is 2.2. Perfect. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and load the printer. This is where we're going to place the sublimation pens on. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through. And then this is the pens. It comes just like this, but I already pulled two out, but let's go ahead and get the sleeves. You get these shrink wrap sleeves, so we'll need two. Let's place those back in here. And we're just gonna go ahead and cut this. It's just a simple cut. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this as well. There's one. Let's do the next one. Okay. These are so cool. I'm super excited about these. If you do this, I know you'll love it. It is so much fun. So this is how the pen comes. And what we're gonna do is, when you sublimate, you have to take off the metal. You only wanna sublimate the part that's meant to be sublimated, which is the white. So we're just gonna go ahead and unscrew this at the top, and we can pull this out, and that comes out. So you have 3 pieces, and let's set that aside. Let's do the same thing. We're just kind of pulling that out, and same thing, actually you can just pull it out. You can just do a 2-step. All right, now we need to use rubbing alcohol because you want to clean the surface that you're gonna sublimate. Put some alcohol in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean this really well with the alcohol. Do this one as well. And then you want to dry it. It has to be completely dry. We're gonna go ahead and take the image, and I'm just gonna place it right there. And we're gonna go ahead and take the pen. This is just this part that's meant to be sublimated. And we're gonna just make sure that this is even. We're gonna push it down, and then I'm going to wrap it as tightly as I can, okay? You want to make sure it's tight all the way. Okay, and then I'm going to pull it up, and then I'm still holding it tightly. I'm just going to wrap that around so it's all the way tight. And then I like to do all of it because I feel like the more it is pressed down all around, it comes out nicer. So let's go ahead and just do that. And we'll do this side as well. This one is ready. We need to put the sublimation wrapper on there. So let's go ahead and take the sublimation shrink wrap. Go ahead and open that up. We're gonna put this right in there. Push that in. Just kind of, I put it in the center. And then this whole time we are preheating the convection toaster oven because you want it to heat up for at least 15 minutes. And again, I have it at 356. And then we're gonna sublimate this for 7 minutes. So let's go ahead and push this in. We are going to use the heat gun, and we're going to shrink this. So let's set this aside. We're gonna turn this on. And the reason that this is important, the shrink wrap, is because it just reinforces the sublimation paper and it helps keep it firm on there. So these are ready, and we're going to put this on top of parchment paper. So let's get that ready. So you definitely want to wear sublimation gloves because it's super hot. Remember, I have this at 355 degrees, and we're gonna place parchment paper on top of the rack with the pens. So let's go ahead, place this in there, and we're gonna sublimate it for 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn it off and take it out. And let's go ahead and unwrap it. I'm super excited. This is gonna be so cool. And I'm just using a little weeding tool just to kind of help me with the plastic. Take that one off. Let's grab this one. Okay, let's put it together and see what it looks like. I got these beads from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to, I got like just a couple different ones. We are going to decorate this, and I'm going to show you how cool this is. So let's go ahead and let's do these. I haven't done this one yet. So all you do is just put it back. So you're just going to push it in. And we're gonna go ahead and put the pen in as well. Push. Like, so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. So we're gonna unscrew this, And then we can decorate it with beads. So let me grab some. Let's just do multicolored. So I'm just putting beads on here. And let's see, orange, green, white. Let's try to do a bunch of different colors and then we'll start the pattern again. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. Let's do the Spider-Man one. Let's see, just like so. We're just gonna push it, just pushes right in. Same with this, just like that. So cute. This is so adorable. Let's see if these fit. Yeah, they do. That one's cool. I like that. Let's do a little bit in here. Let's do red, blue. Let's do a green one. We'll do orange, red. These are so adorable. I absolutely love these. Look how cool that is. Let me show you. So look how cute this is. Look at that. Isn't that so awesome? And you just get different beads. So you can do, they have so many different beads to choose from, but look how cute that is. That is really, really cool. I love this. So this is the Spider-Man 2. Doesn't that look so cool? I love this. And then this was the one that I practiced on, which turned out perfect. I have to say all the ones I've done turned out awesome. I absolutely love this. I think you guys will love it too. It is so much fun and so easy to do, and it's something different than doing tumblers. So anyway guys, comment below, let me know what you guys think of this video. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button so I know that you guys enjoyed this material, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.